How can we easily understand the OEE of our factory? And where do we start? Now, managing overall equipment effectiveness is a first and essential step towards Industry 4.0 because we have already invested a lot in our automation equipment in order to ramp up our production and to enhance our quality. But with these investments, many manufacturers are unclear on if these production equipment are actually contributing to their productivity rate increase. And furthermore, there are many times where the schedules are not adjusted according to these new capacities, and that means a lot of the machines are going idle. For different equipment in different domain industries, we can easily harvest IoT data using our gateways or domain protocols to provide instant information on the shop floor for line managers to look at which machines are still being underutilized and whether we can adjust schedules to speed up production. Our OEE application comes with preset dashboards for all the different metrics that are of interest, including machine availability, manufacturing performance, and product quality. Here, for example, is our dashboard for correlating machine data for analysis and clarity. We can group different machine breakdowns and issues by their category and easily see a horizontal heat map as to when the machine is in production and whether the machine has broken down due to a specific fault. This can be viewed for all the machines in the production line. Now, if we look at other aspects of the production, we can also have an overview of the overall work cell or the shop floor in general and look at all the machine performances together. If you're interested in further details, feel free to contact us from the link below and inquire for a demo. Thank you.